Welcome to today's video about AMPP Protective Coatings Specialist, PCS, Exam Prep. Introduction of AMPP Protective Coatings Specialist, PCS, Certification. Who should pursue PCS certification? AMPP PCS Certification Requirements. AMPP PCS Exam Information. Exam Blueprint Knowledge Domains. Best study tips to prepare for the AMPP PCS Certification Exam. 1. A concrete clarifier is being refurbished, and all existing coatings are being removed and a new liner is installed. After surface preparation, which of the following should a contractor consider before coating concrete? A. Cleanliness of prepared surface. B. Moisture content of concrete. C. Structural integrity. D. Chloride testing. 2. A coating system shows localized mechanical damage, but most of the coating remains well adhered and performs properly. What is the most appropriate next step? A. Recommend complete removal of the coating system in all areas. B. Apply a new top coat without surface preparation. C. Ignore the damage because localized defects never affect coating performance. D. Evaluate whether localized repair procedures can restore protection. 3. A coating system that performs well in a mild indoor environment is being considered for a marine splash zone. What should the PCS professional do? A. Approve the system because all coatings perform the same in different environments. B. Evaluate whether the coating system is suitable for immersion, salt exposure, UV, abrasion, and service conditions. C. Select the coating based only on the lowest material cost. D. Ignore surface preparation because marine environments are self-cleaning. 4. Which activity best reflects project management responsibilities in a protective coatings project? A. Coordinating scope, schedule, quality requirements, documentation, communication, and reporting. B. Selecting coatings without reviewing specifications or service conditions. C. Allowing each contractor to define acceptance criteria independently. D. Avoiding documentation to reduce project time. 5. What is the primary role of a protective coating in corrosion control? A. To replace all inspection and maintenance requirements. B. To increase the corrosion rate of the substrate. C. To create a barrier that helps separate the substrate from corrosive environments. D. To remove the need for design review. 6. After abrasive blast cleaning, why should the surface profile be verified? A. To confirm the color of the primer. B. To determine the project invoice number. C. To replace dry film thickness measurement. D. To confirm the profile meets the coating specification and supports proper coating adhesion. 7. What is the purpose of an inspection plan in a coating project? A. To define inspection checkpoints, acceptance criteria, documentation requirements, and responsibilities. B. To allow inspection only after the project is complete. C. To remove the need for specification compliance. D. To replace coating manufacturer instructions. 8. A coating system fails prematurely. What should be the first priority in a failure analysis investigation? A. Recoat the area immediately without documentation. B. Blame the applicator before reviewing evidence. C. Collect evidence, document conditions, review history, and follow a structured root cause analysis process. D. Ignore environmental and service conditions. 9. Why is technical writing important for a protective coatings specialist? A. PCS professionals must prepare clear findings, recommendations, specifications, and failure analysis reports that support defensible decisions. B. Technical writing is only needed for marketing brochures. C. Reports should avoid details to prevent questions from stakeholders. D. Coating projects do not require written documentation. 10. A facility owner needs a coating system for a chemical processing area. Which factor is most important during coating selection? A. The coating manufacturer's logo design. B. Chemical exposure, substrate type, temperature, service environment, surface preparation, and expected service life. C. The number of workers available on the project. D. The color used on a previous unrelated project. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe PCSCert for more IT exam prep.